following message is transmitted at the request of NASA. Many reports of alien spacecraft heading towards Earth. This is very unknown at this time. All residents in the United States should stay calm. Do not go into panic mode. If you do, this will make the situation worse. The spaceship is unknown at this time. Stay tuned for more updates. The following message is transmitted at the request of NASA and the United States government. The alien is identified. It's identified as an egg-like creature with legs and with a dog face. These are not ordinary egg-like creatures. They decided to call him EGGDOG. His power will touch people and turn a person into another EGGDOG. This egg-like creature can cause a virus. Do not go into panic mode yet. Stay tuned for more updates.
We interrupt your regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow.
The following message was transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. A horde of egg dogs is heading straight for the United States and turning into even more egg dogs. The United States government passed it up a force field to block them, but it won't work. And there's a button that says more EGZ. I think one EGGDOG will press the button. Stay tuned for more dangerous updates.
We interrupt your regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow.
The following message was transmitted at the request of NASA and the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Our planet is slowly coming to the end. At 5:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. I was right. I repeat, I was right. One EGGDOG pressed the button from earlier. And one giant EGGDOG the size of Earth is colliding with Earth. Maybe if it will hit the planet, a giant egg crack or occur, or it will just hit the Earth. The United States government and NASA are launching missiles at the giant EGGDOG. Hopefully, if it will hatch and explode, the President of the United States will speak in the air shortly. This is a national emergency. All broadcasting cable systems should transmit this emergency action notification message. This station will play on the air to provide news and information to the public. You're the emergency alert system singing the Tennessee area. If you're not in the Tennessee area, tune to stations providing news and information to your government. You're listening to the emergency alert system.
I have two endings of this EAS scenario. Ending A is the good ending, and ending B is the bad ending. You will hate the bad ending. So, I'll try the good ending first.
clear, I repeat, all clear. The following message was transmitted at the request of the Government of Defense. All of the egg dogs have been killed, especially that giant one the size of the Earth. That's because NASA launched the biggest missile in the world, and that defeated the big one. You get to get out of your shelters now. Your government thanks you for your cooperation.
We interrupt your regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow.
The following message was transmitted at the request of NASA and the United States government. This is not a test. NASA has failed. Now the biggest EGGDOG in the world is not going to swallow Earth. There's no way we can stop the situation. Go into panic mode and make the situation worse. If you want to pray to your goddess or goddess of beauty, I'll see you in the afterlife. We are going to be playing the final playing of the emergency alert system. Stand by after this message. This is the emergency alert system. All programming and cable systems should transmit these emergency action notification message. You're listening to the emergency alert system for the Tennessee area. If you're not in the Tennessee area, tune to stations providing news and information to the United States government. Now we are going to play our final national anthem. Your government thanks you for your cooperation.
Our national anthem.